Why are you putting your head down? You want to scratch it? What are you putting your head down for? Put it up, put it up, put it up. Woo, woo. Why are you putting it down, Milo? You want head scratches? You want head scratchies? Okay, babies. I love you. Boop. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. 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 What happened, baby? You want me to scritchies your head? You want me to scritchies? Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Shake it. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. What's the matter? Huh? Are you a good boy? Milo. Yeah, you always are. Huh? Yeah, you're being a very good boy. Are you a sweet boy? Are you a sweet boy? Yeah, you are? Yeah. Are you a sweet potato? Are you a sweet potato? No, you're not a poopy sweet potato. Are you a sweet potato? Hmm? No, my little potato. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Milo, how are you? Are you cold? Your beak's a little cold, my sweet potato.